In this video, we listed the top 5 best dash camera that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vantrue S1 Pro 2.7K Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue S1 Pro Dual Dash Cam is designed to deliver premium front and rear recording performance with crystal clear 2.7K video quality and advanced driving safety features. Powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and an f1.8 wide aperture lens, the camera provides outstanding HDR night vision with improved brightness, reduced noise, and sharper details even in low-light conditions. It supports dual-channel recording with wide viewing angles, allowing drivers to capture more road coverage and important details such as license plates and traffic signs. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS enable real-time route tracking, smartphone connectivity, video playback, and easy sharing through the Vantrue mobile app. The compact hidden design fits neatly behind the rearview mirror without blocking visibility, while voice control adds hands-free convenience for safer driving. Advanced features such as G-sensor emergency recording, loop recording, parking monitor, motion detection, and time-lapse recording provide reliable 24/7 vehicle protection. Built with a durable supercapacitor and supporting up to 512 GB memory cards, the Vantrue S1 Pro is an excellent choice for drivers seeking professional quality recording, smart features, and dependable performance. Number 2. 4K 4ch Hidden Night Vision Dash Cam. The 4K 4ch Hidden Dash Cam is a powerful all-in-one vehicle security system designed to provide complete 360 degrees monitoring for safer driving and parking protection. Equipped with 4 high-definition cameras, the dash cam records the front, rear, left, and right sides simultaneously, delivering clear 2560 by 1440 video quality with wide-angle coverage. Its hidden design with a 3-inch IPS display blends neatly into the vehicle interior while still allowing live preview and easy control. Advanced features such as G-sensor emergency recording, motion detection, loop recording, WDR plus HDR imaging, 3D DNR noise reduction, and parking monitor ensure reliable recording day and night. The Sony Starvis sensor and f1.5 aperture enhance low-light performance for clearer night vision and improved license plate visibility. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant video viewing, downloading, and sharing directly through a smartphone app. With support for up to 128 GB memory cards and intelligent 24/7 parking monitoring, this dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking complete vehicle protection, security, and high-quality video recording. Number 3. 70mm 800 4K GPS Dash Cam 128 GB. The 70mm 800 4K dash cam is a premium smart driving recorder designed to deliver crystal clear video quality, advanced safety features, and reliable 24-hour vehicle protection. Equipped with a powerful Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and 4K Ultra HD recording, the camera captures sharp details, clear license plates, and smooth footage both day and night. The built-in 128 GB eMMC storage provides faster performance and more reliable recording compared to traditional memory cards. With HDR technology, 3D DNR noise reduction, and a wide 146 degrees viewing angle, the dash cam offers enhanced visibility and excellent low-light performance for safer driving experiences. Built-in GPS and ADAS features help monitor speed, route tracking, and driving safety alerts in real time. The dash cam also supports Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice control, loop recording, parking surveillance, collision detection, and optional rear camera support for complete vehicle monitoring. Its compact hidden design and advanced smart features make the 70mm 800 an ideal choice for drivers looking for professional-grade recording, enhanced security, and dependable performance on every journey. Number 4. Vantrue N4S 3-channel Wi-Fi Dash Cam. The Vantrue N4S 3-channel Dash Cam is a premium vehicle recording system designed to deliver complete front, interior, and rear coverage with exceptional video clarity and advanced safety features. Equipped with powerful Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors and triple-channel recording, the camera captures crisp footage in 2.7K front resolution along with 1440p interior and rear recording for full vehicle protection. Its advanced HDR and infrared night vision technology provide outstanding low-light performance, ensuring clear visibility and enhanced license plate recognition even in complete darkness. The upgraded waterproof 2.5K rear camera offers wide-angle coverage and reliable performance in rain, dust, and harsh weather conditions. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and dual-system GPS allow users to access recordings, track routes, monitor speed, and manage settings directly through the Vantrue mobile app on iOS and Android devices. Intelligent voice control, G-sensor emergency recording, motion detection, buffered parking mode, and loop recording provide reliable 24/7 vehicle security and hands-free convenience while driving. Designed for rideshare drivers, families, and everyday users, the Vantrue N4S combines advanced technology, professional-grade recording quality, and dependable performance for complete driving protection. Number 5. TS-Fong i7 Pro Max 5K 4CH GPS Dash Cam. The TS-Fong i7 Pro Max 5K 4CH Dash Cam is a premium all-in-one vehicle security system designed to provide complete 360 degrees protection with advanced multi-camera recording and smart driving features. Equipped with 4 ultra-wide 150 degrees cameras, the system captures front, rear, left, and right views simultaneously, delivering stunning 5K front recording along with clear 1080p side and rear footage for full vehicle coverage. Powered by advanced night vision technology with WDR, HDR, infrared LEDs, and high-quality image sensors, the dashcam captures sharp details, clear license plates, and balanced exposure even in low-light or nighttime conditions. Built-in 24-hour radar parking monitoring intelligently detects movement around the vehicle and automatically starts recording for enhanced security while parked. Features like G-sensor emergency recording, loop recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, parking mode, and smartphone app support provide a smart and convenient user experience. The hidden installation design keeps the interior clean and modern, while support for up to 256 GB memory cards ensures long recording storage capacity. Designed for drivers who demand maximum safety, clear recording quality, and reliable vehicle monitoring, the TS-Fong i7 Pro Max is an ideal choice for modern smart driving protection.